Welcome back to XRDOGE TV. Hope everybody's having a blessed day out there. Man, we got some good news. We finally got a release date on the XRDOGE DEX, which will be the day after Christmas, December 26th. I think that was a great date to pick. This will be a beta version as there are more updates to come, but it will be live and ready for all trades. This is what we've been waiting on, man. The XRDOGE DEX will finally be released December 26th. Man, this is what I've been waiting on. So today they're doing that solo snapshot. So man, as soon as they do that snapshot, tomorrow I'm gonna be switching that solo to XRP and grabbing me some more XRDOGE, because I'm sure we'll have a nice little run up on the 26th with that DEX coming out. But man, just keep loading these bags and holding, man. This is only the beginning, but this is definitely great news. What we all been waiting for. The XRDOGE DEX will be out officially December 26th. December 26th. So that's great. There was some more good news too. See, and also on the XRDOGE DEX, we will have a feature to add the trust line to your wallet directly from the web UI, making it frictionless to add the trust line after wallet setup. So that's more great news. I mean, there's going to be some nice features on this XRDOGE DEX. So that's definitely going to be cool that you can add the trust line wallet directly from the web UI. So that's a good look, man. They coming through with everything they said they were going to do. So that's definitely a good look. Let me see what else we got. Also on Swift, now you can exchange your SHIB and your Doge for XRDOGE. So man, that's a great thing. That's what we needed right there. It's a Swift coin exchange. Now you can exchange Shiba into XRDOGE along with Dogecoin. So that's some more great news, man. This is what we needed. You know, some upside. So I'm sure we should be definitely getting some upside, because we've been tired of that downside. But XRDOGE family, XRDOGE army, man, thanks for tuning in. Everybody like and subscribe, tell a friend, and I might do a video later on, because they said that they were gonna release a message or talk about the XRDOGE DEX coming out on the 26th. So I might do a video. So go ahead, like, subscribe, and put the notification bell on so you'll know when I'm dropping these videos for the community. But everybody have a blessed day, and I'll see you guys in the next video.